Wow, Sasha, you're like really a boss, aren't you? Well, good morning to you too. This is what I get up to. All right, mamas, I am heading out. Watch the house. Guard it with your life. Looking at me funny like that. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, well, I'm going to show you guys my custom 350Z and pretty much how my exhaust note sounds. I think it's pretty badass, but you guys should pretty much be the judge of that. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start, and then after the cold start, then I'm gonna give you a couple revs. And then you guys, once again, can be the judge for that. Tell me what you guys think. That is my exhaust to my 350Z. It is no resonator and a muffler delete, going into a 3.5 to a 4. Again, if you're new to the channel, there's more stuff to come. Tomorrow, I believe, or Thursday, I got the call from the dealerships where I'll be getting my 891 2021 Supra. And then that's when the contents will extremely start exploding up. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you.